Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Norton Antivirus. So there are two ways. The first one is if you are using a extension on your browser, and the second one is if you are using a software or the antivirus software on your Windows computer. So first of all, I will show you about the extension. You have to go to the extension tab, which is just like a puzzle piece. Click on it and click on manage extensions. Now here you'll be able to see all of your extensions. What you have to do is find the Norton Antivirus extension and click on remove. Click on remove once again and you're done. Now, if you want to remove the antivirus software, click on the Windows icon on your keyboard and type add or remove programs. You will see this button, click on it. Now you will be able to see all of the applications, and what you have to do is search for the Norton antivirus on the search bar. Once you found the, let's say this is the Norton antivirus, what I will do, I will click on the three dotted button or the more options, click on uninstall. Once you've uninstalled the antivirus, and it will be automatically turned off and Norton antivirus will not bother you again. And that's basically how you can turn off Norton antivirus on your Windows computer or laptop. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.